Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Bitget Wallet. Bitget Wallet, formerly known as Bitkeep, is a multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet offering secure asset storage and seamless trading. It supports over 90 blockchains including Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Solana, allowing users to manage diverse digital assets. The wallet integrates a decentralized exchange or DEX for direct token swaps and cross-chain transactions. It features NFT marketplace access, staking options, and DeFi integrations for passive income opportunities. Advanced security measures like multi-signature authentication and private key encryption ensure asset protection. Users can also connect hardware wallets for added safety. Its intuitive UI caters to both beginners and experienced traders. However, occasional bugs and limited customer support can affect user experience. In my opinion, Bitget Wallet is a legitimate crypto wallet with strong security features, but users should always verify before making transactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.